Welcome back, guys. So we can still use the same generative AI to create posts for other social media platforms. We just created for Instagram. So let's try to create a Facebook post. So I would say create, since we did a carousel, so the Instagram post and Facebook post will be alike. Of course, we could use that same design for our Facebook post. So I would say create a Facebook post out of this. So I'll continue the prompts under the particular designs we are working on right now. So I'll say create a Facebook post out of this. So let's send that and let's see what it brings. So it says here is a Facebook post based on your Instagram content idea. So I would say yes, introducing your brand name, and this will be a straight down post that you could use. So it says discover the blend of tradition, modern style with our timeless kaftans and simple ways. So yes, yes, yes. So you could easily post this, and these are visuals for the post. A high quality image of model in one of your signature kaftans and overlay text, use your brand colors. So we could create a visual for this. So this is the content. The content is right here, and the visual is right here. So let's create the visual for this post using Canva. So I'll go to Canva right here. I'll come to Canva, and I would, since we did this design and it looks perfect this way, so you just go ahead to post on Facebook or post on Instagram. So I'll come to Canva right now, and having to come to Canva right now, all I want to do now is I just have to do something simple right now. So what I want to do now is to look for Facebook post. So I'll look for a template that says Facebook post, and we're going to continue our design right there. So I'll look for a Facebook post template, and I'll choose a template to use for that. So here we have different templates to use for that, and here is a Facebook post template. So I could easily click on this to customize this template. I'll customize this template right here. Since we are discussing about fashion brands, so we're going to just do something simple. And right here we have the text layout, and we have a video layout. So what I want to do now is I want to delete this, I want to delete that. So I'll delete that, I'll delete this. So what I want to do is now I want to showcase the two models that we use for the kaftans. So what I want to do now is to come to my elements, and I'll look for a frame. So yes, look for a frame right here. I'll come to frame section, and I'll look for a frame like this. So I'll bring this in as a frame, and this will host the two people that would showcase the kaftan, and we're going to use it for our Facebook post. So yes, I'm going to just do something like this, and I'm going to copy this, duplicate that, and I'm going to have something like this as well. So yes, we have these two. I can bring this to the middle just to make it have that middle feeling. Yes, so yes, that's the middle, and I'll do the same for this as well. So let me bring this to the middle. Let me bring this to the middle as well. So let's do something like this. So this comes to the middle as well. And here in the content, so I'm going to come to ChatGPT to copy what I have here. So from the visuals, it says effortless vision. So I'm going to select test, and I'll say effortless fashion, sorry, for every occasion. So yes, let's do something like this. So I'm going to copy this to the occasion part. I'm going to copy, then I'm going to come back to my Canva. I'm going to come back to my Canva to paste that here. So that will be pasted here, and we have effortless fashion for every occasion. I could make this color a red color by choosing the A, and right here I could change the color, and I want to change the color of this. So all I have to do is to copy, select all, and I'll change the color right here. So let's see if that has been changed. So I just change the color, yes, and I'll bring in the kaftans. So yes, I'm going to replace. I'm going to click on replace. I'm going to come to photos, and these are the photos we've worked on. So I'm going to choose one of these, and I'm going to choose one of these for the second. I'm going to replace that. I'm going to choose one of these for the second. So I'm going to come to photos, and I'm going to choose this for the second. So here we have this. So this could go for a Facebook post. It could qualify for a Facebook post, and our background could be changed to something that would suit. Let's say our brand color is a blue, so I could change to a blue, and I could change this to a white easily. So I'm going to change this to a white, and here we have a post for Facebook. If we have a brand logo, we could input that anywhere just by importing, just the same way we've been importing. So you could easily access your gallery. That is, if you have it in your gallery, then you can import any logo you want to import. So it's as simple as that. creating a Facebook post as easy as that. So we have a content for the Facebook and we have a graphics for it. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.